Hi there!
Let's dive into the top 15 things you should absolutely avoid doing while visiting Greece.
Don't expect shops to be open all day. In Greece, lots of shops and businesses close for a few hours in the afternoon, usually from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. when it's really hot. Make sure to plan your activities and shopping around this midday break. This way, you won't be surprised by finding stores closed just when you need them.
Don't try to drive like a Greek. Driving in Greece can be tricky, especially if you're used to strict rules. Be ready to adapt to a more relaxed driving style. Staying calm, paying attention and driving carefully will help you get around. Don't stress about keeping up with the local drivers. Also, another thing to be aware of, US drivers need an international driving permit.
Don't show your palm in front of someone's face. In Greece it's very rude, so don't try it even as a joke. Many visitors don't know that showing your palm is an insult here, kind of like giving someone the middle finger. Even though a harmless gesture won't likely be taken the wrong way. It's good to be aware of the cultural norms anyway.
Don't expect easy access off-season. Visiting Greece during the off-season might seem like a good idea to avoid crowds, but reaching places like Santorini can be a bit tricky. Many popular spots shut down during this time. Flights, especially budget options, are fewer, and lots of restaurants and clubs are closed. Surprisingly, you might end up spending more money off-season because of limited options and higher prices.
Don't forget to use sunscreen. Summer in Greece can get really hot. Make sure to protect yourself from the sunburn. Use sunscreen and drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Don't be one of those purple sunburn tourists. You can buy sunscreen locally, but it might be more expensive, especially in tourist areas. It's worth the investment to keep your skin safe from harmful UV rays.
Don't ignore local cuisine. Greeks are famous for their delicious food. Dive into local tavernas to discover authentic Greek cuisine. While classics like moussaka, souvlaki, or gyros are fantastic, each region has its own specialties. Like Cretan cuisine in Crete, don't be shy to ask about local specialties and try something new during your stay. Also, make sure you try their excellent wine with a rich history of winemaking.
Don't flush toilet paper or anything else. The plumbing system in Greece is not always the most up-to-date. To avoid blocking the toilets, throw the toilet paper in a trash bin provided instead of flushing it. Most toilets have a bin nearby for this purpose. You should pay attention to signs in the restrooms and toilets where you stay, as they will let you know if flushing paper is allowed.
Don't try to visit too many Greek islands in one trip. With so many incredible islands in Greece, it's tempting to try to see them all during your stay. But if you're only here for a week, cramming too many into your trip can make you feel rushed and tired. Instead, try picking one island and taking day trips to nearby ones. Or focus on exploring islands in a specific area. This way you will have time to relax and fully enjoy each destination. Don't be in a hurry. Greeks have a laid-back approach to time, living in the moment and not being as strict about schedules as some other places. Embrace the relaxed vibe and go with the flow. Just be prepared for Greek time, where 5 minutes might mean 15. Despite this, public transportation like buses and trains usually stick to their schedules, so don't miss your ride.
Don't forget to bring cash. Even though in most of the places credit cards are accepted, especially in tourist areas, it's always a good idea to have some cash on hand. This is because some smaller shops, tavernas or taxis in remote areas may not accept cards.
Don't expect everyone to speak English. Even though English is widely spoken in touristy areas, knowing a few Greek phrases can help you connect with locals. A little effort goes a long way. Learning simple phrases like yasu, efaristo, parakalo are easy to pick up and mean a lot to them. Greek people are super friendly, and even more so when visitors try to speak a little of their language.
Don't drink tap water in some areas. Tap water in cities like Athens and the mainland is generally safe for drinking. However, when visiting islands or remote places, it's best to go for bottled water. On the islands, water tanks are usually used for washing or laundry, not for drinking, so stick to bottled water to avoid any health risks.
Don't forget to dress appropriately when visiting religious sites. When visiting churches or monasteries, remember to wear modest clothes. This means wearing clothes that cover your shoulders and knees. Women might also consider bringing a scarf to cover their heads, although it's not always required. Whether you're at a church, monastery or temple, show respect by dressing appropriately and avoiding loud behavior.
Don't skip tipping for good service. Tipping in Greece isn't like in North America, but showing appreciation for a good service, it's still a nice gesture. While there's no exact rule, it's common and appreciated to leave a tip around 5 to 10% at restaurants, tavernas, taxis, coffee shops, and hotels. How much you tip is up to you, depending on the service quality, and it's also okay if you decide not to tip at all.
don't disrespect historical sites. Greece is well known for its many ancient ruins and historical sites, each holding great cultural and historical value. Climbing on these old structures isn't just dangerous for your safety, but it also harms the preservation of these priceless places. It's important to show respect and keep these treasures safe to make sure that future generations can still appreciate their beauty and learn from their history. Make sure to watch the rest of our Greece series videos
to make the most of your experience.
Enjoy your trip!